Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to follow the speed sign during your driving test. Because most of learners, they fail their driving test due to overspeed or low speed. Because they don't know how to follow the speed sign during the driving test. So it is very important to follow the proper way of speed signs during a driving test. So before actual, I'll going to tell you how to follow. So if you're on 60 zone, you're driving on 60 zone, and soon you see there is a 70 sign is coming. So if you see 70 sign, it doesn't mean you need to increase your speed on 70 now. So how we should increase the speed? So when you cross your car to 70 sign, that's the time you need to increase your speed from 60 to 70. Same, if you're driving on 70 and then soon you see there is a 60 sign coming. So your speed limit must be under 60 before you reach that speed sign. That's the confusion between when less speed sign and higher speed sign come in front of during the driving test. So just remember, when higher speeds come, you need to increase the speed when you cross that sign. And when lower speed sign come, you need to decrease your speed before you reach that speed sign. So let's do some practical. It is very important. Let's go. And so I'm on the residential area at the moment. So 50 speed. So when I go to the main road, it's gonna be 60 speed. And soon it will be 70 zone. So how you need to follow? So I'm going to turn left from this next roundabout. Very busy today. Okay, so now I'm turning left on the roundabout. So as you can see, there is a 60 sign. Yeah, so this speed zone I know is already 60, so I'm driving on 60. So now I'm on 60, so that speed 60 sign, so my speed still 57, 58. So keep your speed around less than 5. So as you can see now 70 sign. So I need to increase my speed over 60 but less than 70 when I cross this sign. So now I cross, now I increase my speed over 60. So I'm on 65. So same, if after that, if I see any speed sign less than 70, so same, I need to decrease the speed before I reach that sign. Suppose I get 80 signs, so I'm already driving on 70. If I go to 80 signs, so I need to increase the speed when I cross that 80 sign. So don't forget the way how you need to increase and decrease your speed limit during your driving test. It is very important, and most of learners, they fail their driving test just because of this lower speed and higher speed. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video. And I hope you learn how to follow the speed limit, especially during the driving test. Bye for now.